All right, Mom and I are out in Pryor today. A little bit different video. We really don't know much about this house. We haven't even walked through the whole thing. So you're gonna get our first reactions as we walk through. Absolutely gorgeous. Read a little bit of the facts here.
Oh,
I'll show
let's see.
some photos before we go in.
4 bed, 3.5 baths. It was built in 2016.
Three baths, 2 half baths. So 5 bathrooms altogether.
Sorry, I read that wrong. Hey, a 3 attached garage. Cool. In-ground pool.
It says it's 5,598 square feet.
That's pretty
They're
good.
currently asking $1,450,000, but my friend Darren, who has this listed, says they might even have a cash offer right now. So that just tells you people with a lot of money are moving to the Oklahoma area. So if you don't know, Pryor is about, it's like an hour northeast of Tulsa. But there's a lot of, necessities and stuff in between there. So it's not an hour to the nearest grocery store, but just to give you a geographical location, that's kind of what you can expect if you do need to go into Tulsa, which is the second largest city in Oklahoma for whatever reason.
Ah, it's beautiful.
So we're gonna check it out. You've got a really cool barn and stuff next to it. I don't know exactly how big it is, but we'll check that out too. This might be a long video, but we're gonna stop yammering and get in here. Okay, so right inside here, we've got this huge cement pad. Love the entrance here. Obviously very ranch farm life. We've got that garage right here that we just talked about.
There's your family safe
in there. All that good stuff. But we're going inside. I love the porch here. Nice flower beds on either side. Check it out. Oh, the floor mat got moved here. Okay. Great high ceilings there. I like the natural light up there. The wagon wheel chandelier.
Bring in a lot.
Not bad, not bad. Okay, let's go this way. Here's our stone fireplace. You got the blower on the stone fireplace.
Puts off the heat.
All the way up there, pretty great. Catwalk. So over here is your primary suite area. Fireplace in here. You got access to the backyard. Huge room. Also tile floors.
Yeah, here, beautiful. And fire. Yeah, you mentioned that. Yeah, that's really nice.
Fireplace. Moving through our kind of saloon barn doors here. Check out this closet, you guys. Absolutely massive.
I do like this. This saloon door is a neat feature. They got little things so you don't have to have them swinging all the time.
Barn door here into the bathroom area. You got dual vanities. Over here, I think, is your toilet area. And then on this side, you have a makeup vanity. And then I actually have seen the shower already. Wait for it, wait for it. Check that out.
I bet when all that water's going, it's a hot sauna.
Probably is.
Yeah.
I mean, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 shower heads, plus the wand.
Very nice.
Pretty cool, pretty cool. So back out here, let's go upstairs since the staircase is just right here. Now, remember, we know nothing about this house, so you're getting our first reactions. We only made it to the master bathroom before we started filming, so there's that catwalk over there. Looks like a laundry room is up here. Here is some attic space.
Very nice.
Good amount of storage there.
And it's finished off?
Yeah. Flooring and everything. Got 1 bedroom. Ooh, a sauna. Check it out. Built-in desk area.
That's cool. A tanning bed.
Tanning bed, sorry. That's what I meant. Huge ceilings in here. This is a massive bedroom for being a spare bedroom. Looks like linen closet. Got a full bath here. Looks like a Pullman situation. Oh no, it's a private. I thought it was going to connect.
The hall bath and
not
the
a private,
upstairs.
but it's a hall. Full hall bath.
Okay, what do we got here? Closet.
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 Walk in.
So they use this as a study.
Wait, that's a balcony back there. Ooh, we have a fireplace in here.
That's a nice feature. Here's your balcony over to the open area. That's really nice.
Earlier.
No, this is just a
No, but that's the
little short one.
Living space down there. Little sneak peek of the pool. We'll check that out here in a minute. I want to go out on the balcony. How many acres is this?
How many acres is this? I'm looking.
Check it out.
22.22.
22.22. Great pool area. Does it say if it's a saltwater pool?
No, it just says
It should say, wait. Pool, in-ground, and it's a liner.
It's a liner.
Nice cement pad around it, though. I like that this little section is fenced, so if you have dogs or young kids or whatever, you don't have to worry about.
Sure, you could run, actually, just about run some livestock out there. Right here?
I'm sure the pond is included. Pretty great. Let's head back this way. Looks like they were into horse racing.
Yeah. How fabulous is that?
Dad's brother was into horse racing?
He housed horses.
Ah. I mean, all the saddles kind of a giveaway. These are Western saddles, though.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, over here we've got, this looks like laundry room. So, you got another fridge, utility connection up here for the water. There's your washer and dryer. You got, there's a toilet behind this door, so you got a half bath right here. Nice sink area. And I like the windows too. Like, they're not open right now, but like, I love the natural light.
Well, Game this is room. A nice room.
Okay, pool table. There's that other balcony, which we won't go out there, but that's the other one that you just saw. They do some collecting. Holy smokes. They've got NASCAR. Okay. Well, good room.
A great room.
Look at the white, I don't know what you call that. Piping on the piping on the chair. I want to know what's back here. I think it's
a sauna.
Probably just a closet. Yeah, just a closet.
Look at this.
Freestanding. We should get you one of those.
Oh, I want one of these.
Not bad, not bad.
I
think that does it for the upstairs, so we have to go back down.
Yeah, back up to the left of the door. Oh, yeah, there's the
in the kitchen. Shauna with Apex. Shauna, what's your favorite part about this house?
It's hard to say what my actual favorite thing is because it's very spacious. There's room for everybody here.
Just noticing they have sound system built in.
Yep, and you could have your whole family over for Thanksgiving and still have plenty of space.
I mean, how big is this island? Do we know?
Did you see this porch?
Okay, we'll come back. I was wondering how to get there because the other door is blocked.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's nice.
And it's screened in. So you do have access there, but they had some decorations or something. So out here, we've got an outdoor kitchen. This looks like freestanding, so I don't know if that comes with. It's not built in, but you do have the hookups regardless. You've got covered patio under both balconies.
Patio out here.
You do.
I love it. You got that covered patio, you got that covered patio, you have this open patio.
Does it say, or did Darren say, is that barn part of it, or just this one?
I do not recall.
What's it say on there?
I mean, it's 20 acres or 22 acres.
20 acres seems like... We have to go check out the other bedrooms now. I know the pond comes with it, because I'm pretty sure... So, over there, 80 by 100 is that one, I would imagine. And this other big one is the... I just read it. 30 by 40 horse barn with multiple stalls. That's... Well, that looks way bigger than 30.
That's 100 foot.
Maybe that's the 80 by 100.
Yeah,
that one
is smaller.
Like I said, we've never been here before. This was a experience it as we experience it video. Okay, back in the kitchen. Massive island, like I mentioned. We've got electric range. Really good sized pantry over there. And like Shauna said, you can have Thanksgiving, Christmas, and still have ample room for everybody else.
Everybody.
You can have your entire large family here.
Yeah.
All right, sounds good.
What's up, Darren?
Are you leaving?
Want to be in my video?
You're what?
What about it, Darren?
This is Darren, listing agent. What's your favorite feature?
Well, I love this open living with the kitchen
Pretty
and
great.
this 2-story living area and the walkway above and the western features of it.
I mean, you do have like horses and stuff. You're kind of you're kind of a cattle guy.
Yeah, so there's also it's 5,698 square feet, 22 acres, 80 by 100 horse or 80 by 100 shop.
That's what we
30
were
by
just having
40
discussion on.
horse
So
barn.
the horse barn is that smaller one,
Yes.
and the shop is okay.
Yes.
We haven't
Yeah.
looked at the shop yet, but we'll get out there.
Yeah. So
Cool.
just a really good. Oh, you were finished recording.
Hey, what else did you want to say?
Nothing.
No.
Nothing.
Okay.
He'd be ready for anything.
Whatever you want to add, Darren. Okay. So the master suite was over there. So over here, we don't know. We're gonna explore. This looks like a closet. Tis a closet. This looks like another closet. Really deep. Okay, the light's not on. I don't know where it is. This is a huge closet. I don't know where the light is.
It's a big
It's like
storage
way
area.
over there.
There's actually clothing in there, so
Yeah.
it's a closet.
No, I just meant like it's like a walk-in.
Oh
hall
yeah, it's
closet.
a walk-in closet.
In here, we've got a huge bath. So this would be almost like a mother-in-law situation. We're also on the first floor, which makes it perfect for that. The toilet area. Mm-hmm. I should just buy this one, Mom. And then...
Look at this. There's another closet right here. Walk-in.
Nice.
What? Okay.
What?
Somebody was a wrestler.
Oh.
Big wrestle belts.
Really good sized bedroom here. Plenty of room for entertainment center and for extra furniture, desk. Wow, look at that. Is the most Western thing I've seen. With the, not diamond tuck, but the studded teal.
I would say they traveled and found that somewhere. I don't know. Pretty cool.
Okay, moving on. I want to say there's a whole nother side over there, but I don't know if it's a bedroom. And then we have to go check out the shop.
Yeah. But you know, going through here though, that's the entrance to the patio, that
Right.
screened-in patio.
Here's the other half bath. Closet. Extra pantry space.
Well, here. It's a
This
picture.
is...
You need to show this.
What?
This picture.
Oh yeah, here's a picture.
That's
of
a
the
real
pond.
nice picture of the place.
Check it out. 2018 took that. The
Yeah.
pond is pretty great. I mean,
Oh yeah.
so over here, this is the downstairs laundry. So we saw the upstairs one a second ago. This is your downstairs.
Right out
You've got
the kitchen.
your kind of drop zone because this is going to be the garage. Check it out. This is probably a utility closet. That one has a lock on it. Makes me think this is like an exterior door.
Yeah, it probably goes right out to the pond. No.
Backyard.
Backyard.
Ooh, wind tunnel door. So in here,
Well, it's what? 3 car.
okay, you know you're in the country when the mail truck is a pickup truck.
Look at there. She's climbing right in the back. That's pretty country.
Really great space here. So this is a 3-car garage, but then you have the shop next door. So you want to walk over there?
You know, it says 3, but these are wide doors.
It really could be a 4.
This is 4 cars.
Was it 3 or 4? Maybe it was 4. It says 3, but really,
That's a 2-car.
you're right.
This is a 2-car.
They're both 2-car doors.
Yep.
So it's really a 4-car. But anyway, over here, we're gonna truck across the grass. Check out the shop.
Wait, you're gonna go all the way over
I
there?
don't want to walk that far. I'm sure there's pictures of it.
Yeah. Well,
We'll
I mean,
throw up some photos.
now this is a shop, correct?
He said it was a shop.
So that's the horse barn. I don't even know if I want to walk over there.
No, I'm not going to walk over there. A 30 by 40 horse barn, which is the other one behind us, and then an 80 by 100 red iron shop
That's just.
with a concrete floor, which is that right
I
there.
would just show the front of it. Just kind of
well,
angle out there.
I think I have photos.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to walk over there because then I have to go back in and my shoes will be
there with
dirty.
the cows.
Mom's looking at the cows. Anyway, that pretty much wraps it up. It is a fantastic property. I'll put a link in the description to all the information, more photos, all of that. But we're at about 16 minutes, so don't want to make these videos too long.
Right.
And I'm sure we missed some of the stuff. Like I said, this was kind of just come experience it with us. We didn't know anything about this house when we came out here. So it is pretty spectacular. And like I said at the beginning, it may already be sold. So it might not even be available by the time you're watching this. But there are some other amazing ranches sprinkled throughout the Oklahoma area.
Yeah, it's some beautiful places.
I mean, and you know, from 500,000 to over $1 million like this one. So just depends on what you're looking for, what your price ranges are. But there's some pretty amazing pieces of property that you can get in the Oklahoma area. And hopefully this video has, you know, helped you realize that, because I think a lot of people think Oklahoma is just cowboys and tumbleweeds and there's nothing out here.
No, it's beautiful.
We have great places like this. What was your favorite part?
What was my favorite? I love the country altogether. So I love the whole feel of the country atmosphere that's out here, and just the wide open spaces.
It's pretty amazing. So anyway, if you're interested in this home, obviously you can reach out to us. But if you're thinking of just making a move to the greater Tulsa area, which includes Pryor and places like this, we're about an hour out of Tulsa, like I mentioned, which is really kind of the limit for us. If it gets much farther than that, we probably would refer it, but we'd still be able to kind of ancillarily help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like home tours like this. On the channel, we share living in Tulsa content, and the surrounding communities like where we're at today, but also just local restaurants, points of interest, and things to do in and around the area, not just real estate. So if you're into home tours like this or any of the stuff I just mentioned, make sure you like and subscribe. And if we can ever be of assistance for your real estate needs, just go ahead and reach out to us. Our contact information is in the description. I hope you have a great day. And that's all I got.
Yeah.
We'll see you in the next one.